Hi friends, and as we know that due to coronavirus, we all are in quarantine, self-quarantine. So we can't come and we cannot come and sit together in the school. So as a school, we had a plan that we are making system to be you can sit in your home, you can use mobile, tablets or laptops, and you can study by yourself with the help of your teachers. Okay, so for that system here today I am going to take an English lesson for class 10th. The chapter name is the hero. Okay, so the hero, when we hear the name hero, okay, we have a lot of expectations. Okay, so because we all are hearing the name hero in a different ways, but this is one of the short story from the big book called Malgudi Days. Okay, the author of this book is called R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, and also he is known as Malgudi man. Why? Because he is not now known as Malgudi man. Okay, that is the question here. So so that I just need to explain something about the author. The author is mainly he was depending on the place Malgudi, means mostly his stories are facing or depending on the place called Malgudi in present Tamil Nadu. In the olden days, that place was called Madras. Okay, so R.K. Narayan was a good and famous novelist and short story writer, and his style was very famous. Style of writing was very famous. For that, he had his own chair in his generation. मतलब उनका जो जनरेशन उनका पीढ़ी होते हैं उनका एक जगह दे जो यूनिवर्सल वर्ल्ड में जो पूरा ऑर्डर सारे ऑर्डर के साथ उनको अपना जगह उन्होंने बनाया by his writing side. Okay, one of his main and famous story is The Guide. Later the Guide became a movie in a Hindi. So here I am coming to this about this story. First of all, I just want to introduce the characters of this story. The first one is Swami. Swami is the hero of the story, or the main character of the story is Swami. And second one is the father of Swami. And third one is the grandmother of Swami and the mother of Swami. And the last one is the thief. Okay, so the main style, the speciality of R.K. Narayan writings is he having conclude or including less characters. मतलब क्या होता है, कम कैरेक्टर से कम आदमियों से उनका पूरा कहानी आगे चलते हैं. कई कम हम लोग कोई बहुत कहानी हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, इसके अंदर कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, मतलब हजारों लोग कैरेक्टर को उसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं. मतलब हमको याद करने में और हमारे मेमोरी में स्टोर करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है. इसलिए क्या R.K. नारायण क्या करते हैं, उनको सारे स्टोरी में जैसे 1 man, 2 man, 3, 4, 5 मिनिमम below 10 characters where he have concluded his idea and he was exposing it. So that was one of the main thing. And now we are coming to the story. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, I'm dividing this story as 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This 4 scene I'm concluding this story. Okay, so in our words, हमारा भाषा में क्या बोलते हैं, once again I am repeating my sentence. This story I am dividing into 4 points or 4 scenes. Okay, that is better. In a literal style, this is very better. By the point by point, if you can study. Okay, if you, after 1 year or 2 year or 3 year, you can remember this same style which the author is taken and the same style I took here. Okay, the first part, the scene 1. Okay, as we know that Swami is a small boy who was lived in a Malgudi, in the place the Malgudi in a Tamil Nadu. Okay, so he have lots of problems. Same like you. आप लोग जैसे बहुत प्रॉब्लम थे उनको, समझ में आ गए? So what happens? He had a fear of darkness. उनको तो क्या होता है, अंदर को क्या है, उनको ज्यादा दर्द है. He had fear about darkness. So because of that, so that he slept with his grandmother. He was not like to be alone in the darkness. So after the time of sleeping, somehow he will come to the grandmother and he will sleep with him. So his father was not like this method this time, because he's a boy, so he have to be show his braveness. He should be brave. So what happens? The later on, okay, the second scene. Okay, many days were gone. Before father coming, father having lot of crush. He got angry. He was shouting at him. So many of the things were happening. But this is what he did. The Swami was what he was doing. Before father coming from his office, he will go under the blanket and he will act like sleep. So the one day there was a holiday, and Swami and his father were reading a newspaper. Okay, so then what happens? Once one newspaper comes suddenly before him, his father read like that. He was saying that one small boy were protest against a lion and killed a lion. क्या हो गया? इस शेर को झगड़ा करके युद्ध करके उन्होंने मार डाला. जैसे एक आदमी है, ये फादर के सामने बैठा, पिताजी के सामने बैठा है, जैसे उनको हर एक चीज में क्या होते हैं, डर होते हैं, डर है. फिर भी मतलब जैसे unknowingly one question came out from Swami, and Swami was asking that. What he said? He's saying that, Papa, is it possible? Father, is it possible? अरे तो हम लोग जैसे बोलते हैं, ये हो सकते हैं क्या? हाँ? So what happened here? Okay, so this is the turning point of the story. So from that moment, his father got an idea that I will show you from today. उन्होंने क्या बोला? मैं आज से मैं आपको बता दूंगा कैसे हो सकते हैं. ठीक है? Many things were happening there, and he got and father was having a decision that today onwards, on that day, when they were the first thing we completed, the second thing. Okay, the day they were reading the newspaper, okay, on that day onwards, Swami will sleep alone in the office of his father. उनका father का office room में वो सोना पड़ेगा. समझ में आ गई? Okay, so and he had lot of excuses. No. हाँ मैं तो आज से नहीं सोते हैं, मैं तो कल से. तो उनको पापा को पता है कल कभी नहीं आएगा. Tomorrow will not come anymore. ठीक है? So he had lot of excuses. So then his father went to his grandmother's room and he took out his bed and blanket and everything and he threw to the office. Okay, Swami went there with the fear, and he saw that the things were very ugly and dirty, and very fearful situations were there. Okay, good. Okay, fearful situations were there. A lot of rats, mosquitoes, cockroach, The many kinds of sounds were coming. So that was for him that was very bad situation. हमारे भाषा में जैसे बोलते हैं दिमाग खराब हो गया उनका. किसका? स्वामी का. Okay, so after that, all the day, the scene 3. Okay, in the scene 3 here, okay, in the scene 3 here, we can see that Swami had a lot of suffering. His father was not accepting. Okay, all the day he was playing. When the sun was set, then after that he had lots of fear, and he went to the granny's room very fastly, and he went down the blanket, and he acting like a sleeping. क्या हो गया? उन्होंने क्या कर रहा था? जो सोते जैसे उन्होंने एक्टिंग किया. स्नोरिंग साउंड, क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? गराटे. इज इट गराटे बोलता है ना? हाँ, गराटे साउंड. इसे मोर साउंड. So his father came in the night. He was searching him in the office. Wow, there is no one is there. Swami's blanket was there, but Swami is not there. Swami's bed is there, but Swami is not there. He got angry. He went to the grandmother's room. He took out, Swami and came. And 2, 3, 4 days were gone. And one day, okay, so many kinds of suffering, shouting, beating, the many kinds of things where Swami was facing. Oh, so Swami he was saying that this is a hell in the world. So I don't want to live here. He had a lot of sufferings. He was bad situations. Oh, such a situation. Okay, so in the story, R.K. Narayan, he was portraying or narrating in such a way that will be very interesting to us. Okay, so then the fourth scene, the climax scene. Okay, so when we come to the climax scene, and here the order is saying that, okay, one day his father put him and locked from outside. Would come into office and lock him from outside. And Swami was sleeping with fear. And at the midnight, he was hearing somebody is coming to the room, like his foot voice. Wow. Swami's heartbeats were raising up. He got in shiver. And what will happen? So after that, he was very fearfully he catch a pair of a desk, a table, and क्या हो गया? Because of fear, he was starting to bite. Suddenly he was catch and bite that, and bite. So suddenly there is a voice came, Hayyo. So Swami also got fear. So he was thinking that he bite in a pair of a table, but from the table the voice were coming. So that was a fearful situation. Swami thought that was a ghost, bhoot. So then what later on? So then something were falling down, the bells, the books were falling down. Swami's fathers came with a torch light, the flashlight, and he entered to the room. He switched on the light, and he saw that one more person is there. Swami was hardly catching his leg, and he was bited. Okay, so then later on, in the morning when they put him into the police, then later only they understood that he was a notorious criminal which police was searching. So then next day onwards, the Swami became the real hero. So some of the fearful situation, okay, he was turning, the other was turning the fearful situation into a successful life. The fearful man became a real hero in the life. Okay, so here the such a way, if you are sitting and reading the story, if you will get a more attraction in this. Okay, so we completed our story here, lesson here. I just want to give you one homework here. So that is the draw out a characteristic about Swami. So draw out मतलब क्या होता है? चित्र बनना है, चित्र बनना है ना? चित्र बनना नहीं है, मतलब क्या होता है, ये स्वामी के बारे में आप लोग क्या करना है, हमारे बड़े स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, आप लोगों को क्या करना है, इस स्वामी के बारे में, उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप लोग लिखना है, वो सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। आरबीएससी सिलेबस के अंदर बहुत बार क्वेश्चन में आते हैं स्वामी के बारे में, आप लोगों को पता है स्वामी के बारे में कम से कम 3 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, ठीक है। ओके, सो इसीलिए आप लोग स्वामी के बारे में आप लोग को याद रखना जरूरी है और आके नारायण के बारे में याद रखना जरूरी है। हियर आई एम कंक्लूडिंग माय क्लास। थैंक यू।